Om Namah Shivaya, Om Amriteshwaraya Namaha. Today I am Soham Datta of class 8A. Today I will discuss on the topic water conservation. What is water conservation? Conservation of water mainly refers to protect, preserve and control the uses of water and its resources. It is a system introduced to manage the fresh waters and reduces the wastage and protect the water and its resources in order to reduce and to avoid the scarcity. What is the importance of water conservation? The importance of water conservation are: water conservation reduces the energy which is being used and also controls and saves your household money. It reduces the use of appliances such as the dishwasher, washing machine, which will save much electricity, which is also a type of resource. It also helps in utilization of resources for our future generation. Some of the ways through which we can conserve water resources are: turn off the water after using it, take shortened showers, always fix and check leakage and faults in pipes, always use the method of rainwater harvesting system for collecting and conservation of rainwater, always use rainwater for washing, cleaning and watering indoor plants, don't pour water down the drain, also use that water for watering indoor and outdoor plants. Some of the advantages of conservation of water are: it minimizes the effort of drought and water shortage. It helps us to preserve the water resources as well as our environment. It builds safe and beautiful community of people and make people healthy. At last, conservation of water is very important because without water none of the organism can be alive and there would be limited source of drinkable water. This is for today. I have discussed much about water conservation. Thank you. Om Namah.